Hi, Thinkerneters. I'm Tom Knoll, president of CIMI Corporation. One of the things that came out in the Financial Times recently, I think, is pretty interesting for the internet and perhaps pretty interesting for U.S. networking and global networking in general. The news item basically said that the telcos in Europe are looking to get together and create a common infrastructure, at least for part of their networking, rather than to provide special national-based infrastructure. And something like this has actually been done on a per-country basis in Australia, where in order to lower cost to consumers and increase competition where it mattered, Australian regulators put into place a new generation network that's basically a not-for-profit corporation that's shared by everyone. And the question is this going to be good or is it going to be bad? It's pretty hard to say. For the vendors who provide network equipment, certainly this is not going to be a good thing, because not only would it create a much more massive single buyer that expected economies of scale, but it also is an indicator that networking isn't profitable enough for operators to sustain a competitive position relative to one another and build out overlapping infrastructure. For the consumer, it may be good depending on how it's done, because the possibility is that this could focus operators on providing higher layer services that would have more direct user utility rather than duplicating lower level infrastructure that really only raises everyone's cost. At any rate, whether this will spread to the rest of the world, we don't yet know. We'll just have to wait and see. Thank you. I'm Tom Knoll.